a record way to start the week and end the month. The blue chip Dow index powered to another all-time high, its eighth record close of July. Investors cheered strong quarterly results from corporate America, and that's widely considered to be the main driver of July's gains, which were the best since February. Today, the market was mixed. The Dow Jones Industrial Average advanced 60 points to 21,891. The Nasdaq fell 26, and the S&P 500, it was off just slightly. For the month, all of the major indexes were up. The Nasdaq was the big winner. Bob Pisani takes a look at what worked for investors and what didn't in July.
Was a good month overall. The S&P was up about 2%. It's up nearly 11% for the year. Tech's been the leader, and it was again in July. The demand for semiconductors to power cell phones and appliances just keeps going up. Oil also had a big rally, going from about $44 to nearly $50, but it didn't help a lot of oil stocks. ExxonMobil hit a 52-week low on Friday on disappointing earnings. Banks also were mostly down for the month. Now, they benefit when interest rates are higher, and traders have been surprised that rates have not been rising despite the improving economy. Inflation, for example, remains below the Federal Reserve's target levels. One major issue is transports are diverging from the rest of the market. The Dow Industrials are up almost 3% for the month. Transports are down 4%. It's not one sector, it's right across the board. Airlines and railroads and truckers all down. Meantime, money continues to flow into stocks. Investors are increasingly using ETFs to get in and out of the market. July saw $23 billion in inflows, slightly lower level than the first 6 months of the year, but still on pace for a record year of inflows, second straight years. Investors are continuing to pour money into international funds, which have been strong, and bond funds, particularly high yield funds, as investors continue that hunt for yield. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Bob Pisani at the New York Stock Exchange.